Finding trustworthy and precise land surveyors in Totadaguddadahalli, Bangalore, can sometimes be a difficult task. However, your search just become a tiny bit simpler if you're especially looking for land surveyors in Kamasandra, Bangalore. These experts can precisely measure and map the land because they have access to the most up-to-date surveying gear and machinery. These land surveyors have the knowledge and experience necessary to complete the task correctly the first time, whether you require a boundary survey, topographic survey, or construction staking. These land surveyors can guide you through the challenging process of property acquisition and development thanks to their extensive understanding of local land laws and regulations. They can also offer helpful insights into potential difficulties that might occur throughout the procedure and methods to overcome them. They can also help you get the required permissions and approvals from local authorities, which can speed up the development process even more. So, look no further than these highly regarded experts if you require dependable and trustworthy land surveyors in Totadaguddadahalli or Kamasandra, Bangalore. You can be sure that your land surveying needs are in good hands, thanks to their experience and dedication to providing exceptional service. To arrange a consultation and begin the process of reaching your land development objectives, call them right away. A crucial step in determining a piece of property's properties and limits is land surveying. If you're looking for trustworthy land surveyors in Totadaguddadahalli, Bangalore, you might also want to think about the experts in Kamasandra. They are capable of managing a variety of land surveying jobs, such as topographical survey, boundary survey, and construction layout survey, and they have the necessary tools and experience. These experts conduct accurate and trustworthy surveys using cutting-edge equipment and methods. Employing a qualified land surveyor can help you avoid potential disagreements and legal concerns relating to land ownership, whether you plan to buy, sell, or build a new structure. For all of your land surveying needs in Totadaguddadahalli, don't be afraid to get in touch with the land surveyors in Kamasandra, Bangalore. Find a group of knowledgeable experts who can deliver precise and trustworthy results if you require land surveying services in Bangalore's Totadaguddadahalli neighborhood. Searching for land surveyors in the neighborhood of Kamasandra is one choice to think about, since this region is home to many knowledgeable surveyors who are acquainted with the local topography and laws. Working with a group of surveyors who are familiar with Totadaguddadahalli and the surrounding areas will help you to guarantee that your project is finished quickly and accurately. Finding the correct team is crucial to success because land surveyors are a crucial component of many various sorts of projects, from boundary surveys to construction stakeouts. In order to find the assistance you require, search for specialists in Kamasandra if you require land surveying services in Totadaguddadahalli. Totadaguddadahalli, Bangalore, land surveying services that are dependable and precise are you in need of? Look no further.